He is indisposed with knots and so forth. He didn't want to ruin his pretty illusion. Yeah, I'm getting ahead of the story. Jerry Lawler had a match in Louisville, Kentucky at the Louisville Gardens with Ken Lucas. I think most of you probably remember Ken. Ken, a real scrapper. He wrestled here with Championship Wrestling some time ago with his partner, Dennis Hall. They were an excellent young tag team. Ken is seasoned, and he's just a really tough, fine wrestler. He had a match with Jerry the King Lawler. It originally started, the first battle that Lawler had with him was in Birmingham, Alabama, and Lawler wrestled him in Louisville, Kentucky. Now, the Jarrett Welch cameras, I want you to watch this entire thing, because the Jarrett Welch cameras, we talked to Ken Lucas before the bout. Understand, before the bout in the Louisville Gardens. Let's hear what Kenny had to say.
Louisville, Kentucky wrestling fans, next Tuesday night at Louisville Gardens, a great card of action has been signed. The main event, the CWA World Heavyweight Champion, Jerry Lawler. He'll be taking on this man that is with me right now, Ken Lucas. Ken, it's a non-title match. You're taking on the man that is the epitome of wrestling, the World Heavyweight Champion.
Let me say one thing about Jerry Lawler. I've seen a lot of things with him in the magazines. I've got to watch his style on TV a lot of times, and the man is a very, very good champion, and I have a lot of respect for the man. And I know what I'm going to have to do when I go in the ring with him, that he's a very, very tough man. He asks no quarter, he gives no quarter, and I'm going in to do one thing, Michael. If I get a win over him, then I've got a chance to go for that CWA championship, World's Championship belt, and I know that's what I've got to do.
Well, the one thing about Jerry Lawler, like, he is the champion, but he has been known to bend the rules some, Ken.
Well, anytime I think that things get hot and heavy in a championship match or an untitled match, it's like I say, the man is the champion, and I know that he will a lot of times stick up for his rights to keep that belt. That's what does make a champion. And I know my wrestling very well. I expect to have a very, very hard wrestling match with him, but if things do get hot and heavy, I've been known to lose my temper too, and I can get pretty rough too, my friend.
Well, Jerry Lawler has gained the title since winning the title from superstar Billy Graham. He has defended it against some of the top mat stars around the world. And, of course, a win for you at Louisville Gardens next Tuesday night would be very, very creditable and hopefully would get you a shot at that title.
That's correct. Like I say, the man is the CWA World Heavyweight Champion, and if I do beat him this week, I'm sure that I will have a title shot, and I'm looking forward to that.
Best of luck to you, Ken. That's at the Louisville Gardens this coming Tuesday night. All you wrestling fans in Louisville, be sure to see Jerry the King Lawler, the CWA World Heavyweight Champion. He'll take on Ken Lucas in that big main event. And, of course, this will be a non-title match. Ken, the best of luck to you.
Thank you very much.
And we'll see you in Louisville Tuesday night.
Thank you.
Michael St. John reporting from Louisville.